Hello my dear students, now we're gonna start a new topic which is about addition. Addition. What's meant by addition? It means finding the sum by adding two or more numbers or by putting things together. The addition sign is called plus and written like this. Now look here my dear students at our cute monkey. It has 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. It found another 2 bananas on the tree. 1, 2. Now our cute monkey wants to put all the bananas together. So what's the total number? Let's count the total number of bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number is 5 bananas. This is called what? It's called addition because we put all things together. Now we want to write the mathematical equation. First, we have to write the addition sign. Do you remember it? It's called plus. Then you have to write 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 2 bananas that were on the tree. 1, 2. 3 plus 2 equals what? Equals 5 bananas. How to add any addition problem? First, we have to put the bigger number in my mind and the smaller number on my fingers and start counting. Okay? If we add, put the bigger number in my mind and smaller number on my fingers. Look here at the following examples. Find the sum. We want to find the total number. Okay? The first one, 4 plus 3 equals what? Oh, look here at the sign. It's addition. Yeah, so we have to put the bigger number 4 in my mind and the smaller number 3 on my fingers. All of you put 4 in your minds and 3 on your fingers and start counting with me. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will write 7. The next one, 9 plus 2. The bigger number, 9. So put 9 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11. So write 11. The next one, 5 plus 4. Put the bigger number 5 in my mind and 4 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write 9. The next one, 4 plus 4. Put the first 4 in your mind and the other 4 on your fingers and start counting. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write 8. The last one, 2 plus 8. Put the bigger number 8 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. After 8, 9, 10. So we will write 10. It's so simple. Important note. Any number plus 0 equals the same number. Again, if I add any number to 0, the result will be the same number. Look here, my dear students, at the following examples. Find the result. 4 plus 0. Here we have the addition sign, which is called plus. Do you remember it? So 4 plus 0 equals 4, because we said any number plus 0 will be the same number. The next one, 8 plus 2. Here we have the addition sign plus. So put 8, the bigger number, in my mind and the smaller number 2 on my fingers and start counting. After 8, 9, 10. So the result will be 10. The next one, 0 plus 10. Any number added to 0 will be the same number. So we will write 10. 0 plus 9. 0 is added to 9, so the result will be the same number, so we will write 9. The last one, 9 plus 3. We said put the bigger number 9 in my mind and 3 on my fingers and start counting after 9, 10, 11, 12. So the result will be 12. Now we will study story problems. Story problem tells me a story and gives me a mathematical problem. So, how to solve a story problem? Let's see together. We have 3 steps to solve any story problem. Step number 1, read the story carefully. Step number 2, circle the numbers. Step number 3, underline the keyword. The keywords of addition are sum, total, in all. The keywords help me to solve story problems easily. Story problem number 1. Do you remember the steps of solving any story problem? First, we said you have to read the story problem carefully, circle the numbers, and underline the keyword. Let's read the story problem together. Our lovely bee was flying in the sky. She met 3 of her friends. How many bees in all? Here we have this cute bee, and she met 3 of her friends. We want to know the total number of bees or the sum of bees. First, we have to circle the numbers, the cute bee and 3 of her friends. And then we have to underline the keyword. Here we have the keyword all. Do you remember addition keywords? Sum, total, in all. So let's solve the problem together. First we have to write plus, which represents the addition sign. And we will write 1, which represents the lovely bee. And 3 that represents her friends. Don't forget to write equals. 1 plus 3 equals what? Put the bigger number 3 in my mind and 1 on my fingers. After 3, 4. So we will write 4 bees. Don't forget to write the word bees. Story problem number 2. Sama collected 5 red apples from the first tree and 2 green apples from the second tree. What is the sum of apples? Here we want to know the sum or the total number of apples that Sama collected. She collected 5, okay, from the first tree and 2 green apples from the second tree. So we have to circle the numbers and underline the keyword. Here we have the keyword sum, which is one of addition keywords. Okay, so let's solve together. First we have to write the plus sign because we have addition keyword, which is sum. Okay, so we have to write the plus sign. Then we will write 5 plus 2. Don't forget to write the equal sign. And ask yourself, 5 plus 2 equals what? Put the bigger number in my mind and smaller number on my fingers. The bigger number here 5, so put 5 in my mind and 2 on my fingers and start counting. After 5, 6, 7. So we will write 7 apples. Don't forget to write apples. To make sure, let's count the total number of apples to check if they are 7 or not. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, they are 7. Story problem number 3. Bunny has 3 carrots. Then he found 5 more carrots in the grass. What is the total number of carrots with Bunny? First, we have to circle the numbers 3 and 5. Bunny has 3 carrots and found 5 more carrots in the grass. We want to find the total number of carrots with Bunny. So here we have the key word total. Do you remember? Sum, total, in all. So total is addition keyword. So we have to write the plus sign. Then we will write 3 plus 5 equals. Put the bigger number in my mind and the smaller number on my fingers. The bigger number here 5. So 5 in my mind and 3 on my fingers. And start counting after 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write 8 carrots. Okay, don't forget to write carrots. Let's check together and count the total number of carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, they are 8 carrots. And now let's practice more with addition families. The family of 1. It means any number added to 1. Let's find the result together. 1 plus 1. Put 1 in my mind and 1 on my fingers. And start counting after 1, 2. So the result will be 2. The next one, 1 plus 2. Put the big number 2 in my mind and 1 on my fingers. And start counting after 2, 3. So we will write 3. The next problem, 1 plus 3. Put 3 in my mind and 1 on my fingers. And start counting after 3, 4. So the result will be 4. And so on. Now let's move to the family of 2. It means any number added to 2. 2 plus 1. Put the big number 2 in my mind and 1 on my fingers and start counting after 2, 3. So the result will be 3. 2 plus 2. Put 2 in my mind and the other 2 on my fingers and start counting after 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4. The next one, 2 plus 3. Put the big number 3 in my mind and 2 on my fingers and start counting after 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5. 2 plus 4. Put the big number in my mind. The big number 4. Put 4 in my mind and 2 on my fingers and start counting after 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6. And so on. Now let's move to the family of 3. 3 plus 1. Put the big number in my mind and small number on my fingers. The big number here, 3. 3 in my mind and 1 on my finger. After 3, 4. So we will write 4. 3 plus 2. Put the big number 3 in my mind and 2 on my fingers and start counting. After 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5. The next one, 3 plus 3. Put 3 in my mind and 3 on my fingers and start counting. After 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6. Now the family of 4. 4 plus 1. Put the big number 4 in my mind and 4 on my finger. After 4, 5. So we will write 5. The next one, 4 plus 2. Put the big number 4 in my mind and 2 on my fingers. All of you put 2 on your fingers and start counting. After 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6. The next one, 4 plus 3. Put the big number 4 in my mind and 3 on my fingers. And start counting. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will write 7. Okay? Now let's move to the family of 5. The family of 5, it means any number added to 5. 5 plus 1. Put the big number 5 in my mind and 1 on my finger. After 5, 6, so we will write 6. The next one, 5 plus 2, put the big number 5 in my mind and 2 on my fingers and start counting. After 5, 6, 7, so we will write 7. Now the next one, 5 plus 3, put the big number 5 in my mind and 3 on my fingers and start counting. After 5, 6, 7, 8, so we will write 8, and so on. Now we reached the end of our topic. Bye bye.